Hey friends, if you wish to fix timer or DPC invalid blue screen error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to update all the drivers. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. Select advanced options in the right pane. Select optional updates and install all optional updates that are available. Return to the Windows Update page and click on check for updates. The next solution is to run the Windows Memory Diagnostic tool. Search for the word Memory Diagnostic in the Windows search bar and click on Windows Memory Diagnostic. Click on Restart Now and check for problems. The next solution is to run the check disk scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command chkdsk /f /r and hit enter. Now press Y and hit enter once again. The next solution is to perform system restore on your system. How would you do that? Search for recovery in the Windows search bar and open recovery. Go to open system restore. Click on next. Choose this. Click on next once again. Click on finish and finally yes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. And if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.